What's up, YouTube? So in this video, I'm going to be going over the very first thing you should be doing if your Dodge Dart has a misfire error. Check engine light comes on, your car is shaking real bad, you got a misfire error code. First thing you should do. There's other videos on YouTube. I watched them. I tried what they had to say. Wasted time and money. Not saying that their videos can't be solutions to some people's problem, but what fixed my car is free. And it takes less time to actually do what I'm about to tell you than it is to watch this video. So this should be the first thing anyone does that has a misfire on a Dodge Dart. Alright, so this advice you'll get other places. Like I said, may not be bad advice. But the first thing they're going to tell you is if you have a misfire to replace the coil. Check the spark plug if it's dirty. That shouldn't be the problem. Maybe the coil will be, but a coil's going to cost you 50 bucks. And when that's not the problem, you're 50 bucks in the hole. So like I said, what I'm going to show you is free. And if this works for you, I'm not going to ask you to donate to my PayPal. All I'm going to ask is you take the time to click that thumbs up button. Because if it wasn't the coil, you'd bring it to a mechanic and pay him thousands of dollars to do what I'm about to show you. Alright, so my Dodge Dart is a 2013. I'm not sure what other years look like this. If you have a Dodge Dart that's a different year than 2013 and you find it to be very similar, please help contribute to the spread of free knowledge and comment what other years that this would also apply to. So your engine's under here. You have 4 coils, 4 cylinders. You know, the other videos I saw said the coil's bad, coil's dirty. Pretty much everything was blaming the coil. I replaced the coil, I swapped the coil. The problem stayed on the same wiring harness, no matter what I did. So I followed the wires back to the ECU, or ECM, whatever you want to call it. And up here by the battery, this is your computer, and the wires for the coil are right here, this one up front. You might need to take this off. This is not even screwed in, this just pulls right off. All you have to do, you lift this up, this thing comes right out, and you're blowing it like an old video game. Just clean it off. There might be a dirty connection. Literally just unplug and replug this back in. And there's a fairly high chance that your car works just by unplugging this. So if you have a misfire on your Dodge, save yourself the time and effort, potentially thousands of dollars, by just unplugging this and plugging that back in. Solved it for me. I pray it solves it for you because it's free and it's quick. Like I said, if that works, please, all I ask is you tell me it worked in the comments and give me a like. Go check out my other videos too. This is the only one so far I have for a Dodge. But trying to help the spread of free knowledge. Stay blessed.